Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily Shaw, known as Dairy Girl Fitness, and today we are at milking our dairy down here in Okeechobee, Florida. So we're pretty south right now. It's very hot, very humid. Welcome to Florida in the summertime and basically year round. But I'm really excited to take you around the farm, and it is run by the Rucks family. They're Sutton and Chris, husband and wife, and then Lindsay, their daughter, Garrett, their son. They're all involved within the dairy and run kind of different parts of that to really allow it to come full circle and just operate in a really awesome way. And their newest venture is ice cream, and they also bottle their milk. So we're gonna get to see the ice cream. We're gonna get to taste the ice cream, and I'm gonna show y'all around the farm and a little bit of detail and background on the farm. So again, it is a dairy farm down here in Okeechobee, Florida, primarily Holstein, a little bit of color here and there with Jerseys and Brown Swiss, and they milk around 1,400 cows. Mature cow-wise, they have about 1,600 cows, and they're milking those cows twice a day in a double 14 parallel parlor, and for the most part, all of the mature cows are kept within free stalls, and some of their dry cows are kept out on pasture along with some of their heifers, and then their calves are kept within group housing. And I'm going to show y'all a lot of that, so you're really going to get to see it. And we're going to tour around the farm with Sutton, so you're going to get a lot of insight into the dairy life, what that looks like down here in South Florida. Plus you're going to get to see the ice cream. I'm going to get to taste it, and it just makes me very, very happy. We are at Sutton Milk, getting ice cream at Milking Our Dairy, and this is the woman behind the magic. Hi, Lindsay.
I'm the ice cream queen.
Yes, I mean, you can see these flavors. I mean, that's a great creative mind. We got the goods. We got the goods. Look at all this ice cream. Oh my gosh, y'all. I cannot wait. We're inside at their farm tour office. As you can see, it's beautiful. And the office, look at all the cow pictures. That is my dream office right there. Okay, so you can see we got so many different flavors. We got Turtley Awesome Cheesecake. We got Cookie Butter, which is one of their fan favorites. We got Holy Cannoli. We got Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got Watermelon Crawl, which is an adult ice cream sorbet thing with tequila in it. We got Oreo Crunch, and we got Nutty Milkmaid. And these are just a small array of all the other flavors they have. And y'all can see, I've already tried this cookie butter, and it straight up tastes like cookie butter, and it's amazing. That's really good. Which one are you trying right now? Babe, please. Which one are you trying? Hey, I know you're not. You can speak. Ruben. How is it? Oh, you're right. Okay, he's trying the Turtley Awesome Cheesecake. How is it? Ruben, answer me.
Good stuff.
Firstly, for 30 plus years, around 30 years, we just raised, first we had beef cattle on it, my family did, and that first thing else. Then we built this dairy, built it probably here in 1986, and it was just a pasture. Yep. Everything was out there. 2004, we built our first freestyle barn. 2006, we built the second. It took about 10 years, didn't do much. 2016, we built the maternity barn, dry cow barn. Typical dairy farm, our numbers went
the brushes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen little mini brushes.
They use them quite a bit. But you're not eligible for that.
You ate too much today, fatty. She's pissed. She's like, what's going on?
One thing we don't do here, we don't leave them in there. We have to move the cabs down. They don't stay in pens. Right. Our ventilation here, we found out when we first built this, we got down to the third or fourth pen, and we had younger calves up there and older calves here. Right. Now, all the youngest calves stay here on the front of the barn. And I mean, it's our mortality and morbidities. I mean, they're existent, but virtually non-existent. Yeah. Probably the best. For me, it's the best thing we ever did. Yeah, for calf health.
Oh, cutie. Yeah, fresh sand down.
So if we're calving, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 calves a day, right?
Yep.
Well, you guys are that's mine, right? Yep. You're not fighting any of the seasonality. Have they implemented that yet?
Yeah, there is a.
Oh, it's there. There is.
Not bad. They're a great business.
Seneca free stalls?
Yep.
I like those.
Seneca bar, fans and everything. I really like their recognized fans. They probably got 100, taking every milk price fan they got.
Are there any gators?
Oh, yeah.
Really? Those are gators? Oh my
No,
god.
no, they're not dead.
Oh no. I saw the little ripples and
No, those are probably tilapia fish.
oh, boring.
These stalls should last a lot longer, right? Because it's
Yeah.
always the bottom that you're cutting off, and
We are really close here. I'm hoping 4 or 5 more days we're ready.
Oh, this is nice.
I like to drive through them when they're like this.
Yeah.
Still flight wrapped yet. Power's hooked up. Water lines are almost plumbed. We'll have 420-ish to 430-ish. And then we have 700 cow, 720. There's a good many crosses in here. Every summer for the last 10 summers we've been 160. This summer right here, 210. Solid 210.
210 in the middle.
We stay together about a week after calving, and then 6, 7 to 10 days after calving, heifers go into their heifer group, and mature cows stay.
How often do you guys flush the birds?
About 4 times. This barn about 4 times a day. The other barn. Good D-Hard program here. That's Lindsay. You see those? That's when we started the pace. You got her nose right here. I think she used to have like a
Oh, the rye fish.
what happened to your thing? Your throat cavity?
Look here for the camera. Nah, she's like, nah, I'm not getting made fun of. Oh yeah, cutie pie.
That's me, your pressure.
Yep. Oh, they'll be precious cows are going to be over here in the middle, but these will be 10 days in now, 10 to 40 days, 50 days.
Prosper. You're fun.
Shave off the top and then always throw that bottom stuff to the next pile.
Yeah.
Yeah. Work its way out.
It's like you guys got a lot of care.
Yeah, we're back where we need to be.
Great.
It took, I think we're probably about to
You guys haul all your shit going black out?
No, we're actually selling this to a sod farmer.
Oh, nice.
This would be supplemental water for wastewater, not water out of that.
Sustainability.
Yes.
That's very nice.
That's awesome.
Pretty nice. 2 gators right there.
Oh no! Those the heads?
Yeah, right there.
Oh my gosh. Gators.
You got screen chop?
Not this time of year, but in the spring.
Okay.
Wet after winter and spring. We did not get a frost down here, which was odd. I mean, there's years that, by Thanksgiving we had a hard freeze, but this year we did not even get a hard freeze. Usually it's a person in the paint business, a company in the paint business. They'll rotate paint out.
Oh, that probably works well then.
Lately our furthest point is at 25 miles. Still substantial haul.
Yeah, yeah.
And we can grow corn here, but it's just so, we have so much wildlife pressure, it's just, I think they probably, we use 20%. All kinds of ducks, it must be laying eggs. I don't know, that's not egg laying, that's in the spring.
Now with all the water around here, you see the EPA quite a bit.
Oh,
Yeah, I was gonna say, okay.
we're regulated out there.
I guess they don't like us.
Probably crazy shit. 4,000 acres.
We're pretty close.
Ed's working with a handful of grazing areas, and that's big work. That's great. That's hard.
I can't. I think we've seen it. We got dry cows now. We were in the freestall. Had dry cows in there for 2 years, maybe 3 years. I know we've been out going into our second year right there. You take them out. And we can tell a big difference in the start. When we get them in a spring, I think that's 60 days. Right. And I believe it's more of a shock to them now being in freestalls and picking them outside.
All right, I hope y'all enjoyed the tour of Milking Our Dairy, and Sutton Milk is their milk company and their ice cream name. And as y'all can see, I got a visor. It says Sutton Milk, and visors are like the thing in Florida, the thing in the South. So, you know, I had to get one, rep the brand. But hope y'all enjoyed it. The ice cream, as you saw in the video, it was delicious. We have a bag of it in the cooler, and I'm really just trying not to eat all of it on our drive right now. But you got to see a little bit of what dairy farming looks like in the South, where it's a lot hotter. There's a lot more water down here, and just how they raise the cows, what they feed them. It's going to look a little bit different, you know, varying across the state and across the country. And I'm glad I was able to show y'all what that looked like down here. And thank you to the Rucks family and Milking Our Dairy for allowing Ruben and I some time on the farm, as I always love being able to show y'all and represent the dairy industry. And if y'all enjoyed the video in any sort of way, I appreciate the thumbs up right down here. Give it a like. If you want to see more of what's going on in my life, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about the dairy, about ice cream, about whatever, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to see it and respond. And thank y'all for the support, and we'll be back soon.